2011 Dodge Caravan. I'm gonna replace oil pan. The underneath the oil is leaking. I'll show you that. So before you go underneath, please put the jack and jack stand. See the jack and jack stand. See this? There's a leaking right there. So basically there's a, you see this, all this board around, so I need to take all this board. To be very challenging. You see this so rusty board. Let me see if I can open it, otherwise I have to drill this out. Drain all the oil, and you need to take this off to get the oxide. These are all 10mm bolt. So this is a push clip right here. See the something, you pry this. Just want to take it out. And there's another push clip right here. And, see, there's another push clip right here. Some board is very rusty. So to the rusty board, you just put this extension and just hammer it like this. Just hammer it a couple times, then it will go fit perfectly. So before you do this, please don't try to open this, otherwise you're gonna strip this board. So make sure you tap. Make sure you tap this. See this? You hear the noise? It's all the way. Now you can turn. After open all this board, you see on the edge, be careful not to damage. This is the soft aluminum, so just, you see this side is put on the top. This one is get damaged, no problem, I'm gonna replace this, but just like this, and tap, like a little tap in here. Eventually it will go. See this little bit of split here. See this? You put this thing inside right here. After that, with the razor blade, with this, cut a little bit. Yeah, I prefer to use this. You see, if you have something like this, just put all the way inside. It will come out automatically. See this, all the panels came out. So after that, you have to clean this with the razor blade. You see this, all is RTB. You can use RTB or you can use the gasket. So with something like you clean this. Okay, this is a gasket and pan. If you want, you can put a little bit of RTV in here. You don't really need to open the bolt. Sometimes this, on the old one, I had a couple two bolt 10mm. I couldn't open it, so I tapped with the 9mm. I tapped with the hammer 9mm. Then it came out. So try with that. If you have like you cannot open with the 10mm because of rust, so try with the 9mm, tap with the hammer and open it. It will open. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of RTV on the bottom side to stick in here. So when I put it in, so it's not gonna move anywhere like this. Stay on a place. So I'm gonna put a little bit of RTV like all over, just a little bit. See this, this is a gasket. Still I put a little bit of very thin layer RTV, just for the safe side. So this, when I'm gonna put it in, this is not gonna move anywhere because of RTV. So soft, very soft aluminum, so you can clean everything. After there's clean everything, then if you want to put the gasket, and put all this bolt, and or if you want to put the RTV, you wait couple hours, then you put the oil inside after you tied it up. So make sure the RTV is dry, then you're not gonna have a leak. After that, just put the oil inside, start it up, and see if there any more leak. The tied sequence is like in to out, like this is one here, one. If you want to tie it like this, one here, straight right there. After that, one here, straight right there. After that, one there, straight right there. After that, one here, straight right there. Then here, straight right there. Then here, then other side. Look, it's like in to out, So make sure you use. You can see the specification for the torque. Or I do my feelings, like I don't tie like crazy, because you have a gasket or RTV. Let them work. Don't tie it up like crazy. Alright guys, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Make sure you put the oil before you start it. Thank you. Look, I try my best to clean up. It's pretty much clean. Now simply I'm gonna just put this pan back and tied all this bolt. That's all guys. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.